Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. My name is Jack, and in today's video I would like to tell you about the 7 reasons for why I think you might want to consider investing into MEOW Coin in any shape, form or size. So make sure to stick around till the very end of this video, smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and get ready for some info coming your way. So the first reason why I think it might be a good idea is that MEOW Coin is a utility token, or sorry, utility coin. It has a utility. There is always talk about whether cryptocurrencies are actually useful in everyday life. Like, are they, what's the deal? Can we use cryptocurrencies in any way, shape or form to make them useful in everyday life? For a long time now, people have been struggling with the idea of accepting Bitcoin for payments, and it's kind of semi-successful. MEOW Coin sends out donations on a weekly basis to animal shelters and facilities that take care of animals. So there's the Best Friends Society right now. $500 every week is sent to a shelter or organization that supports the welfare of animals on a weekly basis. And if you go to the MEOW Coin website, you can see all the donations that have been made since the inception. And right now it's a donation 50. You can check out the organization, the receipt, donation, and you can follow the actual organization to which the money has been donated. So MEOW Coin is a coin that is actually being used right now in real-day life to help real lives, the four-legged kind. So that's reason 1. The second reason for why I think you might consider investing into MEOW Coin in any shape, form or size is the fact that it is a mineable coin. If you go to resources and go to mining pools, you are taken to the website mining pool stats, and on here you can have a look at all the pools that are presently mining MEOW Coin. The biggest pool is Woolly Pooly. Coin Miners is a pool that is supported by MEOW Coin, the MEOW Coin community, and there's a lot of talk about coin miners on the Discord, the MEOW Coin Discord channel. The fact that the rewards are quite high, mining on an RX 580, right now I make around 600 MEOW tokens, or sorry, MEOW coins every 24 hours apparently. I've been mining it for, I guess, close to 2 weeks right now, and I make 4,000 MEOW tokens on a weekly basis, which is not a lot, but it's also something. So, and this is what I do in my spare time, basically running my GPU when I'm not using the computer. So instead of having it sit, I mine MEOW Coin. So it's very easy to do. If you go over to mining pool stats, I joined Woolly Pooly personally. I know that some people might not agree with this. Coin Miners is another pool that you might want to consider. It's the 3rd largest one, and it's very easy to set up. You go to the pool, whichever pool you choose, follow the instructions, download the miner, and off you go. Right now MEOW Coin is worth 0.00013 cent, which is bupkis, it's nothing. But of course the bull run is coming, and there is a potential for this coin to become one of the meme coins the meme coin competitors without actually being a meme coin. And this takes us to the 3rd reason for why I think MEOW Coin is a worthy investment. And that is that MEOW Coin will be releasing their own mining algorithm, which is going to be called MEOW POW. Right now, the mining is done on the Cow POW algorithm, which is okay, but MEOW Coin developers are working on creating the MEOW POW algorithm, which is geared towards miners in the sense that it's the hope is to reduce electricity consumption to increase efficiency of the algorithm, which means that mining MEOW Coin will become cheaper in terms of electricity consumption, thus increasing your overall profit, which is great for small miners because not everybody's got a 20 GPU rig set up at home. So running it casually on a 1 or 2 GPU miner and mining MEOW Coin will give you the additional, I don't know, a couple of credits that you can use, and which you can use right now on Emporium. Reason number 4 for why I think MEOW Coin may be a worthy investment is the continuous development. Right now there is Emporium, which is an NFT place created on the MEOW Coin. It's very easy to set up. There are also instructions on how to do it. If you decide to run a MEOW Coin node, which I strongly suggest you do, you can create your NFTs directly through the MEOW Coin, through the MEOW node, and send them over to Emporium, and using the MEOW Coin that you've mined using your single or double GPU mining rig, you can create your NFTs and sell them or purchase or trade them on Emporium. The 5th reason for why I think it's worth your time to invest into MEOW Coin is that MEOW Coin is a meme coin. It's a meme coin with a cute calico cat, which offers the potential of it being, a desirable feature. It's not a meme coin, sorry. It's a coin that has the logo, the potential of a meme coin without actually being a meme coin. MEOW Coin aims to be a coin that has utility, that is helping its community, the miners, as well as the four-legged critters and creatures that it was intended to help, and that's what it does. But it also has a level of cuteness, and of course everybody loves cats. I mean, the entire internet kind of boom developed around cats and watching videos about cats, particularly I think YouTube and other social media platforms. Reason number 6 is the fact that MEOW Coin right now is very cheap to get into. Right now it's 0.00012 cents, which is nil. It's still at a very tiny market cap, and it has a massive growth potential. There are 21 billion tokens, which means it will never go more beyond that. MEOW Coin is a platform that is built on Cowpow algorithm and forked from the Noxa project. This in turn was an evolution from Ravencoin, which finds its genesis in Bitcoin. So MEOW Coin is built on basically the same blocks as blockchains as Bitcoin and Ravencoin. Well, not the same ones, but derivatives thereof. And so it aims for a similar structure as Bitcoin, hence mining only, and the team is not planning on turning to proof of stake in any form, shape or size, which is very good, I guess, because it makes it mineable for miners, and you will never have to worry about having to relinquish your miners to start mining something else. I mean, you can always if you want to, but MEOW Coin will always be a mineable coin. And right now, with a price tag of 13 or 12 cents, it is it's a very good time to get in on. Market cap right now is at 194,000 only, which is not a lot. A trading volume of $52,000. It's only listed on 3 markets right now. Gravix is a new one. There's another Zerger, I think. Zergix is another exchange that MEOW Coin is listed on. I'm not familiar with Gravir or Finance, although FinanceX has the highest trading volume. Trade Ogre has a very low trading volume, but it is a very easy to use crypto exchange. So there are 4 exchanges right now. Only 3 are listed here. There's one more that isn't listed here. But so MEOW Coin is only listed on 4 exchanges right now. And with the time, as MEOW Coin grows and more exchanges begin to adopt MEOW Coin, you can bet your butt that you will be able to see a lot more of MEOW Coin, and you will see the price soar. And besides, everything soars in the bull run. And so instead of investing money into coins or tokens that are useless, and particularly coins and tokens, and nothing is there to drive them but the hype, you would actually be invested into a project that is worthwhile and that actually has utility and is being utilized right now in real time. Reason number 7 is that the founders are interested in supporting miners. If you haven't watched my interview with Andrew from MEOW Coin, then I suggest you head on over and check out that video. This was posted, I think, yesterday, no, 2 days ago on Wednesday. And Andrew talks about the importance of miners, because miners are basically the driving force behind the MEOW Coin token right now, because there are, it's not listed on too many exchanges and the trading volume is pretty low. So miners are the ones who are actually producing the coins right now. So Andrew and his partner are all in on making miners as comfortable and as happy to be mining the coin as possible. That's why they're working on developing the MEOW POW algorithm, which will increase efficiency, lower cost, and thus generate more gains for the miners. So it's a very community-driven project, I guess. And the 8th and the last point is the community that is behind MEOW Coin. On Discord, you're able to talk to both of the developers, Meowman and Meowmancer, and shoot messages back and forth with the people in the community, discussing the possibilities of the project and how to further develop it and whatever else you want to discuss. The point is, the community is always very active. It never sleeps, literally. I know that Andrew has they've got big plans for the project. They obviously wanted to succeed, but Andrew does mention in the interview that it is a part-time project, because it's not something that brings bread on the table per se. So it is relatively slow working, but that makes it okay. There is no rush. If you're looking for massive gains, making $1 million in the next 2 days, that's not going to happen. But if you are looking to invest into a project that is worthwhile, that is has real life use case scenario applications, then MEOW Coin may be something you want to consider, particularly at the price point that it is right now of 12.00012 of a cent, because it could go a lot higher, and it certainly will go a lot higher. I think the highest price, what was its highest point? 0.002 cents. I think right at the onset it was 0.00, what is it? 21 cents. So that was its peak. Down from there for now, but it went from quadruple 0.49 all the way up here, and you can bet your bottom that in the bull run it's going to go much higher. If you notice the curves, this is just the beginning of the start of the project. So October 2022. So it's only been around for not even a year, I guess. Yeah, not even a year. I can't wait to see what's going to happen in the upcoming bull run and how MEOW Coin is going to react to that. So these are my, I guess, 8 points for why I think MEOW Coin may be worth looking into. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel if this was informative, share the video with other people, and share it with a wider crypto community, because BitBoy is back at it. Ben Armstrong has rebranded himself and he's already racking in views, so make sure that this channel also gets to rack in some views and get some exposure, so we can share the love of cats with everybody else outside. And of course, the information provided on the Crypto Market Updates channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the 501 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video.